First, cut the spaghetti squash in half right down the center. If you have trouble cutting it, try making indentions with a knife and then carefully rock the knife back and forth while applying some pressure. Then use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and ribbing from the inside. Add 1 cup of water to your Instant Pot and place the trivet that was included with your Instant Pot inside. Place your spaghetti squash on the trivet, then put the lid on, and by the way, if your lid doesn't go on like it normally would because your squash is too big and sticking out some, then don't try cooking it in the Instant Pot. Use a smaller squash that will fit. Set your venting knob to the sealing position. The general rule of thumb for a spaghetti squash that is 3 pounds is to cook it on high pressure for 7 minutes. Mine is a little bit larger, so I'm going to manually cook mine on high pressure for 9 minutes. Once it's finished cooking, do a quick pressure release. After the silver pin has dropped and all pressure is released, remove the lid and very carefully remove the spaghetti squash. If you're unsure if your spaghetti squash is ready, you can check by poking the outside of it with a fork. If it's soft and the fork goes into it easily, then it's ready. If not, you can cook it for another minute or 2 until it is ready. Once it's cool enough to touch, I'll scoop it out and that's it. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.